and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to see how to define a variable and a function. So first, to define a variable, you just type def and the variable name. Let me give a random variable name x, and then you would specify the variable value. It can be any value, a string, a float or an integer. So now I am specifying an integer value, say 9. And if you want to check it, just press X and then enter. If it would give you the value 9. So now if I want to say define some other variable which is a string, I would give str and then I would give some string, random string, then I would press enter. I would give that string. So now str srt, okay, enter. I would get the value of my string. To define a function, what you do is you just write defn and you give the function name. Let me say hello world, and the parameters. If you are passing no parameters, just specify opening and closing square brackets, and then you have to specify the value, specify what your function has to do. So now I'm printing hello world. Now I'll just load this into the REPL and I'll run. To run, you'll just specify the name of the function, which is hello world. Then go enter. You'll get hello world. So it's hello world, a typo which I did. So let me correct the typo. CLLO, hello world. Let's say if I want to pass a parameter, let's say the parameter name as PAT for now, and I want to print the PAT after the hello word. So I'll write PAT in here, and then I'll again load this file to the REPL. And now if I again run the file, run my function without a parameter, it would throw me an error. So if you specify a parameter, it is necessary for you to pass the parameter for the function. We'll later see how to have a function in two forms, one with parameter and one without parameters. So let's say for now I'm passing a parameter of 3.14. I know it makes no sense, but it does print the same hello world in 3.14. So while specifying the parameters, we don't need to specify what type of parameter it is in Clojure. That's it for today, guys. See you in some next video where we can learn some interesting and easy things about Clojure and Clojure hacks.